What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and today I'm back with another amazing video. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, so of course I gotta bring my amazing oven roasted turkey recipe for you all to enjoy. Takes absolutely no effort, and guess what? It is so delicious. Let's not waste any time and let's get right on into the recipe. Let go. So to begin, we have a little bit of prep work. I have a stick of melted butter. To that, I'm adding half a cup of chicken broth and then half a tablespoon of our seasoning blend. That will be listed in the description box, and later on in the video, I'll have a breakdown of everything inside of this seasoning blend right there. Go ahead and give it a mix. What this is our sauce that we're gonna inject our turkey with. And in years past, I used like Tony's injectables, but I'm like, let's make it from scratch. You feel me? So that's what we're doing here. You want to go ahead and set this off to the side. Moving on, I have a stick unsalted room temperature butter, and to that we're adding half a tablespoon of that seasoning mix. We're adding some chopped up rosemary and some chopped up thyme. You want to go ahead and just mix that together. Again, room temperature is key so that it allows you to kind of mix it just like so. And once we have that taken care of, we're gonna move on to our turkey. This turkey that I'm working with, I believe it's about 14 pounds. And this is the injection needle I was telling you guys about. I'll list it in my Amazon storefront so you can get your hands on it. But like I said, this turkey is about 14 pounds or so. And you want to pretty much just inject this juice all over this turkey. This turkey is getting a BBL right now. We're literally injecting it with that yummy sauce, guys. This is gonna add a ton of flavor, and you just want to go crazy. I'm not gonna show you every single injection, but pretty much all over the turkey you want to get this yummy sauce in there. And once that's said and done, we're gonna move on to stuffing that butter underneath the skin of this turkey right here. So use your fingers to kind of loosen up that skin just like so, as you see on the screen. And that's where we're gonna stuff this delicious butter right here, just like so. And you want to go ahead and kind of massage that butter so it could kind of go all over underneath that skin right there, so you can have it, you know, completely spread out, guys. This turkey, let me tell you, it is going to be amazing. Please trust and believe me. So you want to go ahead and flip that turkey over. You want to drizzle a little bit of oil onto that bad boy, and you want to give it a nice luxurious back massage, as we always do. And you know we got to season up proper. On the screen I've listed everything you need to do so, and like I said, of course it's gonna be listed in the description box for you to reference to, as always. So we want to be very generous right here. Go ham, go crazy. We want our turkey to be well coated in all of this seasoning right here. Every crack, every crevice, every surface, baby. We want it well coated up. Don't be stingy and go ham. And of course, once you have the backside seasoned up, you want to go ahead and give it a flip. And you're going to do the same exact thing to the other side. You're going to drizzle some oil, and you're gonna go ham, go crazy with the seasoning and making sure your turkey is well coated up. And at this point, you can go ahead and preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. That is the temperature at which we will be cooking our turkey. Once we have our turkey seasoned up, oh so proper, we are gonna stuff it with some veggies. We have some celery, we have some onion, we have some rosemary, we have some thyme. That's how I like to do my turkey. I love to stuff it with that. It's gonna add a wonderful aroma as well as a flavor to your turkey. So that's what we're about to do right about now. Here is everything, and just go ahead and stuff it in as best as you can. Just get as much in there as you can. And you also want some cooking twine. Cooking twine is what we're gonna use to kind of tie up the legs afterwards. You can find that on again, I'll just put that on my storefront, Amazon storefront. You'll find the cooking twine as well as everything you need to get this delicious recipe going. Like I said, we're all stuffed up. It is time to tie up the legs. So that's what we're gonna do here. I did struggle a tad bit. Turkey's a little slippery. I don't know. Let me not make excuses. I just suck at tying knots. But yeah, go ahead and tie it up the best you can. I did grab some scissors, cut off the excess, and now we're gonna transfer our turkey into this roasting pan right here. And we are gonna cover our turkey for about 75% of the cooking time. Cooking time will vary depending on the size of your turkey. That is very important. In a second here, I'll pull up a chart. It'll show you like the exact breakdown of the cooking time based on the weight of your turkey. But like I was saying, about 75% of this cook right here is gonna be covered. In the last 25% of that time, I uncover it, I get my little baster and I do baste it and get it nice and beautiful while it's in the oven. So there we go, there we have it. It is going in. And like I said, here is the chart that I like to use. This gives you a pretty accurate breakdown, but you do wanna probe your turkey here and there and check the temperature. And this is the end result right here. It is looking absolutely stunning. Beautiful. Come on now. And like I said, I did do this after I uncovered it. I put a little bit of that juice on top, and right as it come out of the oven, you want to add some more of that. It just gets it nice and beautiful. It's actually like glistening right now on the outside. It is gorgeous. Okay. As you can hear my voice, I am too excited. I love the holiday season. I love Thanksgiving. I think it's my favorite day of the year. Let me hit you with that B-roll so we go ahead and dig into that turkey. We are looking good, smelling good as always, and I cannot wait to dig into this right here. As you can see, we're missing a couple slices. Of course, I had to get you, the first slice on the B-roll, whatnot. But let me just get right back into this thing right here. It is so freaking delicious, guys. My goodness. Cheers, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is absolutely delicious. So flavorful, so juicy. You got to get in your kitchen this Thanksgiving. Do not be intimidated by this turkey right here. It is not that hard. I'm letting you know. It might look intimidating. You got a big old turkey right here, but it's really not that difficult. And I know you can do it. You're going to really impress somebody with this one. Let me know how you love it. Happy holidays, everybody. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave me a like and I'll be sure to see you on the next one. Deuces. I'm out.